Welcome to Champs Crosswalk Community. This particular TechCast has to do with comments and how can I contribute my comments to the data warehouse. The first thing you have to do is you have to find the column that you want to add your comment to. The CCC has three different search methods to help you locate that column. The one we will be using will be the one where we just know a little bit about the column name. And this is a reminder for users. If you're a user, not a developer, if you're a user, you should remember to use those tables that have a view suffix and use columns that have an H suffix. The comments can be formatted, very similar to what you're seeing on the screen right now. They can include bulleted or numbered list. They can have color and text formatting, and even have hyperlinks that go to other websites. However, from past experience, it's been shown that simpler comments are better. Realize that every comment that is entered into the CCC will be tagged with your user ID and date, and all the comments will be reviewed for security issues, including the possibility of somebody keying in a comment that has personal health information in it. Those comments will be edited by the administrator to make certain that there are no security issues or violations of the system. So what I'd like to do now is actually show you me entering a comment in against one of the columns in the data warehouse. When you start off in CCC, you're placed at the splash page, and while you're at the splash page, we're going to go search using the column search method. Now I'm going to search the Champs data warehouse, and the column I'm looking for has something to do about pharmacy and something to do about Medicaid. My guess is that I'll probably find it using Medicaid. So I'll type in Medicaid and click on the search button. And as you can see, it has brought back a series of results. Again, as a user, I'm going to just focus on those databases that have a view extension on them and the columns that have an H suffix on them. So I'm looking, and here is the QHP Medicaid number. This is the column that I want to add my comment to. So I will click on the Detail tab. And as you might be able to see, nobody has contributed any comments yet, so I'm going to click on the Add Comment link. And when I do, it opens up a box where I can enter in my comment. So I'm going to key my comment in. I've keyed in a simple comment here. This particular comment isn't necessarily true. I'm using it as an example. I'm also going to key in a list. Payments. And it's even possible to add highlighting the certain parts of the text. In this case, I'm going to bold this and turn the color brown. Now, you may not necessarily enter in a comment as complex as this. The idea is to enter in your comments. Simpler is better, and when you're done entering in the comment, you click on the Insert button at the bottom of the form, and your comment will be added to the system. And it's tagged. As you can see, it has my ID on there and it has the date on there. And I'm capable of editing my own comments, but I can't edit other comments. By clicking on the little plus key, we can see the entire comment that's there. Now, this is how you enter in a comment against a particular column that you have information against. Some of you may have been accumulating a number of comments and been putting them in spreadsheets. If that's true and you can provide the spreadsheets to us, it is possible that we may be able to load your comments in bulk into the system. We would have to look at your spreadsheet to determine if it meets some certain minimum requirements. If you have any questions about how to use the systems or a suggestion on how to make the system better for the community, we ask that you click on the feedback button right here and enter your feedback, and the feedback will be sent to us. A lot of the feedback we get results in changes to the system, and the changes are done relatively quickly. We encourage you to use the system, and thank you.